Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing Expedia app errors or payment issues, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the problem and complete your booking. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening other apps or websites to ensure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Close the Expedia app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, force stop it through Settings. Step 3. Update the Expedia app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Expedia, and Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Verify your payment information is correct. Go to your Expedia account settings and check that your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV are accurate. Step 6. Try a different payment method. If your card is being declined, try another credit card or use PayPal as an alternative payment option. Step 7. Contact your bank to ensure there are no holds or fraud alerts on your card that might be blocking the transaction. Step 8. Try making the booking through the Expedia website instead of the app to see if it's an app-specific issue. Step 9. Restart your device completely to clear any temporary system errors that might be affecting the app. Step 10. Contact Expedia customer support if the problem persists, providing booking details and screenshots of error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.